The next session, we're going to be talking about job descriptions. So this is one of my absolute favorite things inside of TouchStone and my favorite managerial topic for that matter. So what we'll discuss is how to create the job descriptions. And basically, when I say job description in TouchStone, I mean the list of processes that this position is responsible for. So I'm on this position, and this is the job description. When you click a box, you go to the job description. So we'll talk about technically how to build these, how to think about managerial positions versus technical positions, how to link all these processes, how to verify that the right processes are on this position. But then we're going to talk about how to use job descriptions. So job descriptions are a management tool. This job description or this list of processes is what your employees see over here through the dashboard. So if I click on Jack right here, I see all of his processes. So this is a list of processes or a job description. This type of job description in TouchStone or list of processes is so phenomenal for employees. It's kind of like the backbone of good training and management. It's a list, a comprehensive list of everything that the bookkeeper is responsible for, which is a huge thing all on its own. But then once you've documented each of these processes, it's not just what they do, it's the how-tos of it all. The key here is to have managers who hold their employees accountable to this. They use it for training, they use it for guidance, they use it for redirection, they use it for ongoing training, and then they use it for innovation, the managers. If I'm not happy with my accounts receivable process, if things are going 120 days and uncollected, I need to change the process. I don't need to change Jack. I need to change the process. So that's what managers need to be trained in how to do. So if you have managers and you like this concept of managing processes, this might be a great time to pull them into the technical training and have them learn this.